Hello everyone. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I have some exciting videos coming up now that the holidays are here. Today we will look at the all-new iPhone 14 on the day it went into stores, and we will experience some Tram Chaos. Anyways, enjoy. Just before we head to the Apple Store, here's a quick look at the Central Station upgrade. Central Walk has been improved and is looking near completion. I'm now on a tram heading to QVB to walk to the Apple Store. I'm just about to arrive at Haymarket tram stop. If you didn't hear, at this very location just a few weeks ago a tram collided with a fire truck. Roll the footage.
The CBD was thrown into chaos today when a light rail tram derailed after colliding with a fire truck on its way to another emergency.
He captured the whole thing.
Anyways, back to the video.
This stop is Haymarket, a light for UTS.
But then, chaos emerged. Due to a protest, the tram was stopped and I ended up getting off and was just going to walk to the Apple Store. I spotted a fire truck ahead which was blocking the tram tracks as the protesters were passing by. Just as I was approaching Town Hall, the fire truck left and it looked like they were never there.
Surrendering to the cross for us. Praise the Lord God.
The trams are back and running.
How deep is His love?
Now time to take a look at the new phones. This is an iPhone 14 in blue and it looks quite nice to me and I'm thinking of potentially buying this later this year. Now to the iPhone 14 Pro with the new dynamic island instead of the notch. This phone is not too bad but way too expensive. I don't suggest buying this phone unless you're getting it for things like the camera. Here's some footage shot on the iPhone 14 Pro which I managed to sneak. Anyways, that's it for this rather short video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you'd like. I will be uploading a little more these holidays with a new video coming out this weekend. Bye.